Come meet a company that gives you their all every single day.
Drone technology has enabled us to do amazing things with industrial and personal capabilities. However, the drone industry did not have uniform integration standards for hardware, software, and sensors. We met with a company that has developed a way to change this. Triad Drones.
Triad Drones is an air, land, and sea remote sensing technology company. We primarily focus on matching the right tool and technology for remote sensing and 3D modeling. Triad Drones is a unique and amazing company because at the core of it, we like to build cool stuff with cool people. We like finding the problems in the industry and matching the right efficient tools and technology for customers to maximize their ROI. Majority of our customers are 3D modeling and mapping, producing digital twins of the environment as it is today.
Taking the drone industry by storm, Triad Drones stresses integration, affordability, and service.
Triad Drones is a great place to work. We get to take today's latest technology and integrate it to a number of our different vehicles. While working here, we have plenty of manufacturing capabilities, so we make one-off and prototype parts, and we get to integrate those to the vehicles and also use those vehicles out in the field. So we take these sensors and apply the technology in the field as if the customer was using it.
With their revolutionary TriDAR system, Triad Drones offers their customers drone capabilities across air, land, or water.
Triad Drones, a lot of times our customers don't know still what LiDAR is, for example. They know it's this hot keyword and they need to have it in their arsenal, but still aren't ready to dictate or have a full-time person producing the LiDAR products that they need. So we'll come in and we can show them the different products and data sets available with the different technologies that we offer. What makes the TriDAR system so revolutionary is the size, weight, and performance factor, as well as the lower price cost. So we took something that used to traditionally be hundreds of thousands of dollars and brought it down to the sub $30K market. That enabled more people to use the tools and technology to be faster at their jobs.
Triad Drones stands out through their impressive team and dedication to customer service.
The employees at Triad Drones are very diverse in that we can apply many different facets of technology and integration tactics to our vehicles. When a customer comes to us with questions, we have a rapid response to where we can solve their problems in a fast manner and get them collecting data as soon as possible.
What makes Triad Drones one of the world's greatest is we're building tomorrow's technology today. We enjoy solving the most difficult and complex engineering problems and helping ensure our customers maximize their ROI with the tools and technology they buy from us.